Alright, Tubes, what's going on? We're over here at my buddy Road King's house. He's behind the camera for me today. And we're working on my truck here. We're standing up in the bed. And what we're going to do is we're going to try and seal up my third brake light here. I think it's a pretty common problem because the same thing happened on my other truck, on the 06. So what we're going to do here is, first thing is we're going to just take it out and clean everything off. Make sure, matter of fact, you know what we ought to do? We probably should make sure all the bulbs are working too, because we don't want to seal this thing up and then have to take it apart again, eh?
Hey. Go ahead, give it a try.
Cargo lights?
Yep.
Brake lights?
Yep.
Alright.
Alright, you're good to go, buddy.
Good to go. Alright, so upon closer inspection, we discovered that someone actually sealed this up already, but obviously we're going to have to redo it because it's leaking. So what I did is I got a razor blade here, and I'm going to try and undo the old seal here without destroying too much. Alright, so I think we got ourselves just about loose here. There we go. Got it, buddy. Alright, so as you can see, between the old, this is part of the original factory seal, and I think this is whoever tried to seal it up beforehand. We got a lot of stuff here that we got to get out of the way before we put the new sealant on. So I got a brand new razor blade here, and I use that to get this stuff off. The key here is a brand new razor blade. We tried it with an older one, and it wasn't really working that good.
And at the right angle, you're not taking any pain or nothing.
That's right.
Looking good, buddy.
Alright, so we got most of it off with the razor blade, and that worked pretty good, but still like leaves a little layer. And we want to go crazy with the razor blade because we start taking paint off. So we got a little squeegee here, and kind of just using the flat side of it like an eraser. It's actually working pretty good.
Yeah, it does. That looks good. Well, you're not going to put silicone oil in that, right?
No, what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to put the light back in and just run a bead around the outside of it. But I just wanted to clean all this old stuff out of there. Alright, so we got everything cleared off over there, so we're going to use some lacquer thinner just to degrease it and everything. And it's just your standard lacquer thinner. I can put a link to that in the description in case anyone's looking, but you just gotta be careful what kind of paint you use it on. This is urethane, so it shouldn't be any problem here. But always test on a small, inconspicuous area if you're not sure.
That's just to get all the wax or whatever's around it.
We do the same thing on our light here. I went around it. There wasn't really any old sealant on that though, so didn't have to worry about that. So now we'll go ahead and put it back in. Put our screws back in. That's it, all done. Ah! Got him. Alright, so we're ready to seal this thing up here. We're just using standard clear silicone, and I can put a link to this stuff in the description too, because people always end up asking. But all we're going to do here, we're just going to run a thin bead along the top here. First we'll use our gun, and then we'll take our finger and run it along it. Alright, so we got our bead run all the way along here with the caulk gun. And so now basically what we're going to do is just smooth it out with our finger here, and we'll see what happens here. We might have a lot of extras, so.
Yeah, that looks good. Let me see what it looks like, buddy.
Alright, check it out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's coming out pretty good.
Yeah.
We, after I got done running along with the razor blade there, I think you guys saw that. After I did that, just to round it off, we went down with I took my gloves off to get a little extra control, just smooth everything out, and it's looking pretty darn good.
It does. I think it looks good.
Yeah.
I'm up close on
I
it
was
now.
gonna say, no,
Yeah.
the closest you're really ever going to be is probably
10 foot.
10 foot. Yeah, exactly.
And nobody's going to be that high to see the top.
Yeah, you're right. We should have done a better job on the bottom.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh,
yeah, but you don't want to take it all off.
Yeah,
you know,
right.
you want to leave something
You gotta
there.
leave some, otherwise it's not going to do anything.
Right. That looks good, buddy.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think that's going to be a job well done.
All right.
So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, Tubes.
Later, Tubes.